Tomorrow, 11th December 2025. Write this down at the very top of your chart right now. Nifty must defend 25,650 to 25,800. BankNifty must reclaim 59,600 in the first 15 minutes. Because today's official close, BankNifty at 58,960.40, puts the financial complex below the structural momentum line. If Nifty slips below 25,650, it immediately opens the door toward 25,450 to 25,300, a zone where institutional orders cluster. If BankNifty fails to reclaim 59,600 early, and instead dips below 58,800, sellers may aggressively enlarge their positions and drive price toward 57,800 to 57,300. Stay with me for 20 more seconds, because the real story for tomorrow is not where the markets closed, but why foreign flows, dollar strength, and the shape of today's candles make these trigger points unusually important. In just a moment, I'll break down what global markets are signaling, then Indian fundamentals, today's sector rotation, FII-DII behavior, technical levels, your opening range plan, your watchlist, and finally a powerful summary. Global market overview, and why it matters for India tomorrow. India does not operate in isolation. Tomorrow's tone will be shaped before we even open. Your pre-open preparation must check three variables. US 10-year yield. When the US 10 years rises, global liquidity tightens. FIIs reduce M exposure because funding becomes expensive. Dollar index, DXY. A strong dollar, weaker rupee, higher import pressures, FII pressure, narrower leadership. Reuters' latest FX commentary shows continued dollar strength influencing global risk appetite. Asia and SGX Nifty. If Japan, Korea, and SGX Nifty trend flat to negative, expect a cautious Indian Open. Pro tip. Just two negative cues out of 3, DXY, US yields, SGX, are enough to reduce position size at the open. Indian market overview, fundamental plus technical. Pushpin fundamental backdrop. RBI's December MPC kept policy accommodative with repo at 5.25%, structurally positive for banks and credit growth. But markets today are driven more by flows and FX than by fundamentals. Pushpin technical backdrop. Official closes. Nifty, 25,758.00. BankNifty, 58,960.40. This close places BankNifty well below the natural rising curve of financial momentum. What this means? Nifty is at the edge of a guardrail. BankNifty is below equilibrium and must prove strength by reclaiming 59,600. Breadth remains weak, meaning rallies depend on a handful of heavyweights. Sector performance today, top plus weakest, with reasons. Stronger sectors. Large private banks, select financials. Why? RBI policy tailwinds. Domestic liquidity preference. Institutional confidence in balance sheets. Weaker sectors. Mid-caps, realty, capital goods, import-sensitive stocks. Why? Rupee pressure. Foreign selling. High sensitivity to global risk-off conditions. This mirrors the classic risk-off rotation, Money seeks liquidity and stability, not riskier mid-caps. Top gainers and losers, news-based plus technical insights. Gainer. Large private banks, defensive heavyweights. These names showed strong relative strength even on a weak day, a sign of institutional absorption. Losers. Mid-caps and cyclicals, heavy intraday ranges, distribution patterns, supply zones respected. This indicates fear plus foreign selling, not simple profit booking. FII-DII activity, cash plus derivatives. Cash market. Money control and NSE flow tables show FII's net selling in early December. DII's absorbing, offering limited support. Foreign outflows continue to shape intraday volatility. Derivatives. Open interest clusters at Nifty, 25,500 to 26,000. BankNifty, 59,000 to 60,000. These zones act as hedging magnets. Expect sharp volatility if price enters these clusters. Market psychology. The market feels supported but nervous. DIIs create a floor, FIIs create the direction. Until FII selling slows, rallies will feel unstable. Technical analysis, daily plus hourly plus 15 minutes. Daily structure. Indecision candles. Long wicks. Reduced body size. This communicates tug of war. Lower conviction. Liquidity rotation. Hourly structure. Hourly trend turns constructive only above 26,150 to 26,350 on Nifty. Below this band, neutral to cautious. 15 minutes execution, most important for tomorrow. Mark the first 15-minute high and low. Then, wait 30 to 60 minutes for follow-through plus volume. This eliminates 70–80% of false breakouts. Key support and resistance levels, educational only. Nifty levels. Resistances, 26,150/26,350. Supports, 25,850/25,750/25,450/25,300. Bank Nifty levels. Resistances, 59,800/60,200. Supports, 59,000/58,800/57,800/57,300. Primary decision levels for tomorrow. Nifty must hold 25,650 to 25,800. Bank Nifty must reclaim 59,600. Weakness accelerates below 58,800. Use these levels only to frame risk and structure, not as recommendations. Market psychology. Sentiment today is not bearish, it is nervous. A nervous market. Rallies on low breadth, sells fast on global cues. Rewards disciplined entries, punishes aggression. Your biggest edge tomorrow is patience in the first 15 minutes. Important news and drivers, domestic plus global. Domestic. RBI policy, repo 5.25%, continues to be supportive. No major domestic shock, flows and FX dominate sentiment. Global. US yields. Dollar Index. US macro data. Asian market open tone. Everything tomorrow depends on global risk appetite plus FII behavior plus rupee stability. Tomorrow's market outlook. Bullish scenario occurs if Nifty holds 25,650 to 25,800. BankNifty reclaims 59,600 and sustains. Breadth improves. FII's slow selling. Upside reference 26,150 to 26,350. Bearish scenario occurs if Nifty breaks 25,650. BankNifty remains below 58,800. FIIs continue selling. Downside reference 25,450 to 25,300. Watchlist for tomorrow, educational only. Heavy checkmark SBI. Sector leadership gauge. Volumes matter. Heavy checkmark HDFC Bank. If HDFC Bank stabilize, BankNifty stabilize. Heavy checkmark currency sensitive midcap. Early signal of rupee stress. Heavy checkmark a midcap attempting base breakout. Confirms breadth improvement. Opening range confirmation. To avoid 80% of false breakouts. Mark first 15-minute high-low. Wait 30 to 60 minutes. Confirm volume. Read only if structure holds. This single rule improves consistency dramatically. Today's official closes. Nifty 25,758.00. BankNifty 58,960.40. Tomorrow's critical zones. Nifty 25,650 to 25,800 must hold. BankNifty 59,600 must be reclaimed. Below 58,800 downside accelerates. Action thought. Stay patient. Watch global cues. Rely on opening range confirmation. You are trading a flow-driven market. Discipline is your alpha.